All right, it's Wednesday, guys. It's Wednesday. What are you going to do at the beginning of the day? Whether you start your day at 9, whether you start your day at noon, what are you going to do at the beginning of the day to get more business, to have more conversations, to touch more people? You're in sales. You're in direct consumer sales. You sell houses, a very high-end consumer product. You get paid a large commission. You're an independent contractor. What are you going to do to get more business? That's what this whole series is over. So let's go over some things we've already talked about, because proven systems, that proven tasks that get more business should be on your daily calendar. They should be on your daily calendar. So first thing you're going to do when it comes to your Wednesday morning routine is be social on social media. Get out there, take your total friends list, just like I talked about on the other days. Whatever your total friends list divided by 25 working days for the month, that's how many people on social media you're going to touch base with. So right now you're probably in the JKL and M's friends. That their last names start with JKL and M. Just go through there, comment on their stuff, like their stuff, share their stuff. If it's something cool, just be social on social media. Got it? Thumbs up. That's easy, right? You could do that. You could do that sitting on the couch, watching your news if you want, because being social on social is way more important than watching what's going on in the world. It absolutely is. Number 2, when you get done with that, post a real estate investor tip video. Josh, I don't know anything about real estate investing. Google does. Bing does. Just Google, real estate investment tips. Tons of content will show up. Read it. Make a video about it. Hey guys, if you're looking to make sure you're fully up to date on 1031 exchanges, I know that First Exchange puts on a monthly webinar that is great. It's a great summary of everything involved in the changes, any updates that are coming to the exchanges. If you would like the link to get on that webinar, reach out to me, call, text, or email me. I'll share the registration form with you. That way we can watch the next one together, guys. All right, all your real estate investment needs, call, text, or email me. The agents that I work with, XP Realty and I, we're absolutely here to help you when it comes to real estate investing. That's simple, guys. That's simple, okay? Just make a short little story, a short little reel about real estate investing, okay? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. You can invite people to webinars. And it doesn't have to be your webinar. Just invite them to a webinar. You want them to associate that webinar with you, okay? Post something about your hobby. If you love dirt bike riding, post something about dirt bike riding. If you love taking your kids to the park, like I do, post something about parks. Post something like, here's a great organic bug repellent or something. I don't know. Just post something about your hobbies, because there's other people out there who are friends of yours that know, like, and trust you, who like the same hobby as yours. Social media is going to put that hobby in front of them because it knows that both you guys like that. And then you guys can be social. All right. It's not hard, guys, but upload it to YouTube, upload it to Rumble, upload it to Twitter, upload it to True Social, upload it to LinkedIn. Put your thumbnail on it. Do the SEO for it. Make sure all your SEO is great. Hint, you can use Bard. You can use ChatGPT to help you with your SEO. Bard and ChatGPT are tools that you could use, okay? And then schedule it to go live Thursday morning at like 6:30 or something. So it looks like you're up and early every morning, okay? So questions on that? Comment down below, guys. If you got questions, comment down below. Call, text, or email me. Reach out to me. There's my number right there. I want to help you. I want you to succeed. If you don't succeed, we all don't succeed, guys. We're Realtors, members of the Mafia. We need the lockbox, okay? We're real estate agents, okay? We got to stick together. That's why I'm at the company I'm at. It's an international company. We're all about collaboration. You guys reach out to me. I want to make sure you succeed. And the last thing you're going to do, the second to last thing you're going to do this morning is read the purchase contract. What? Yes, read the purchase contract. Every single step of the transaction is in that purchase contract. The more you know that purchase contract, the more professional you look. The more you know that purchase contract, the easier it is to put deals together and close deals. The more you know about that purchase contract, the better you are than 90% of the agents out there. It's not just a fill in the blank game, guys. You need to know what that document says. And always say, I'm not an attorney. This isn't legal advice. This is what they've taught me in my real estate schools, what these clauses mean. Okay? All right? Always put disclosures out there. Okay? Protect yourself. Protect your own assets. What is that called? I don't know. Something assets. But anyways, and then lastly, go into KV Core, up at the top right, click your tasks and dial through all those numbers. Email all those emails. Go through KV Core, do your daily tasks. It gives you 20 tasks a day every morning. Go through it, knock them out. Now you've done all your prospecting, all your social, all your SEO, you've done everything, guys. You've done everything. Now it's time to just do your normal day-to-day business. Do your additional prospecting, do your writing contracts, and do your closings, guys. Do the rest of that stuff. Follow up on your escrows and things like that. But this is your Wednesday morning routine. I hope you found value in it. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you're part of the 30% of agents who are happy where you're at and you'd love to have these awesome tools like EXP Market Center, KV Core, the World, and the 700 staff people that handle all of our stuff for us, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. And of course, if you want to learn about revenue share too, I'd love to chat with you about all of it over at EXP Realty. I'll see you guys on the next video.